Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about the data types in the Python. So let's get it started. So there are various built-in data types in the Python. Text type to store the string, numeric type to store the numbers or floating point numbers, sequence, it includes list tuples and range. So let's see how to work with these data types. So let's get started. So first of all, let me create one folder for data types. So I'm going to create day2 folder. Then creating one file .py. So for first of all, the text data types which is used to store the string of words. So that is the string type. So to create the string type data type, you can just create a variable like name is a variable and then is equal to store the string you need to use the double inverted double quotes, and here you can put anything like hello. So this is string data type. Next is the number. So number data types includes int, float, or complex number to store the numbers. So for this you can store like x or num is equal to 5, or you can give any value. So it is for integer. And to store the float, you can do num equal to num1 equal to 5.2. So decimal values with decimal values float number, you can save like this, store like this. So these are numerical data type. Next is there is a boolean data types to store the true or false value. So that is boolean. So like boolean, so it can save true or false. So how will you check what is the data type of this variable? You can use the type function, like use print type of name. So it will print what is the type of this variable. So let me go to cd day2, run this program Python data types.py. So type function will give you the type of variable. Like this is name, so it should return string type. Okay. So what are other data types in this is there are list, tuples, dictionary, set. These things we will next see in next videos. So we got the response here. Data type of this name is str. Let's see what is the data type of num and num1. Print type num1. So let's see what it gives. See, it is returning float. So this is of float type. In same way, you can check for num. So it is of integer type. So using the type function, you can check what is the data type of the variable. Okay, let's see Boolean one. Print type. See, we got bool. So this is a bool data type. There is also one none type. The value of is none. You can put the value none using the null type, like x equal to none. So this is of none type. Let me print the type, print type of x. So none type. Next is to store other values. You have the list. For restoring the sequence of numbers, you have the list, tuples, or range. So let's see how it works. So first let's create the list. So list, you can suppose this list is equal to, and you can store the list. List could be a number or list of numbers or list of characters, anything you can have in this list, like hello, 1, 4. So it can have sequence of characters. Okay. And to print this, you can use print list. So it will print the value of all the values in the list. See, and if you want to print the type of this variable, so same, you can use the type variable, type list. Yeah, so it is printing type is list. And next is you have the tuple. So list can have a, we can change the list. It is changeable, it is immutable, you can change it. But tuple is immutable, you cannot change the values in the tuple. So you create tuple like this, tuple1 is equal to, with the brackets, with the parenthesis, you create the tuples. Here also you can save any value, hello, 1, 5, you can save anything. But we cannot change the values. We cannot delete the values directly from the tuple. Print tuple 1. Also, let's print the type of tuple 1. Let's see. So see, type is this, and it is printing the values also. Next is dictionary. So dictionary is used to store the key value pair. We want to store the values with the key, so you can use the dictionary. So like dic is equal to, we use the curly braces to store the key value, then name, this is the key, and then you can put the value A, B, C, then age. So this is how we So this is how we use the key value pair in the dictionary. It should be in curly braces because it is key. Now you can use the print dic and same type function you can use to print the type. So here it is printing the all values in the dictionary. So in dictionary you store the values in the key value pair. And next data type is set. In this set, all values are is unique. To store all the unique values, we use the set, and it is an unordered list. So there is no order. Order can be changed. You cannot access the values through the indexes because values are not same. Like 34, 89, 20. If you will have two value, duplicate value, so it will take it as a one value. Let's see. Print. Yes. We run this program. So it will see it has only unique value. So duplicate value, it is not taking duplicate values. So this is our main important data types which we use in our program. So that's all for today. In next video, we will learn more about the data types, list, dictionary. We will learn more of these data types. That's all for today. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day ahead.